Thanks, have a good one. Cheers. So here's a crazy scenario. We are supposed to be going to meet to do an awesome country day with Joseph, some awesome activities. I'm bringing my friends, Faisal, Melinda along, but they got lost in Dublin and the bus leaves 5 minutes ago. So we're trying to find them and then we're gonna try to make it to the bus before it actually leaves. So excuse me while I start running. Fantastic news, I found the friends. They're gonna be walking right down here in a couple minutes. We may be able to make it to this bus still. These are the friends. We made it to the bus somehow. I don't know how. Yeah, I led these guys astray. This is 100% my fault. Joe is a legend. He kept the bus here.
Let's do it. So guys, this is our rubbish bag, so please don't even mess with the bus.
Meat trip!
Really good.
Yeah!
Yes!
Woo! I dragged my friends on this little adventure to meet. They have no idea what's going on. I didn't give them an itinerary. They just joined me on this bus. Kudos to them for taking this adventure. This is Melinda. This is Faze.
I think they know me by now.
You know both of them from the vlog. But these are the friends that I got lost. We have made it to the farm.
Woo! Hi!
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
No problem. See you then. Enjoy your day.
Thanks, appreciate it. I'm not sure how this keeps happening, but if you've seen one of my earlier vlogs, I think it was number 4, we went to an Airbnb and it had a pig. Now, we're at this farm. Guess what animal we get to hang out with? Event number 1 of our farm experience, baking bread. Oh.
Baking bread.
Do you like my apron? What are we making right now?
Bread. Brown bread.
Brown bread.
It's time to mix up the concoction. Step 1, bread down, good to go. Now what's next?
I don't know.
You don't know what's next? These gangsters are from Ohio, which is where I'm from. What are you guys doing here?
We are here with our high school on a spring break trip.
That is so sick. Okay, OH. They have some very large pigs here. Talking about second place right here.
Second team 1, team 2.
You see this truck behind me? That is our taxi for the day. Now it is time to hop in the taxi. We're gonna take a little tour of the farm. How's your experience of the farm so far?
So good.
Amazing.
So good. So right now we're heading to a bog where there is an obstacle course. Just explain the obstacle course to us. I'm not sure Lorenzo can handle it. There are 4 different obstacles here that we have to conquer. Let the games begin! These are the monkey bars of death.
Whoever's the most confident in your team.
Just don't let go. All right, best team over here.
Drunken Shepherd.
when we take one of these?
Measure. Right, Joe, you've got the longest one.
First. Let's do it.
You want to film like when she's falling down? Or?
It is. Look at that angle right now. So the results just came in. We didn't win. We got last place. It's all right though. The shoes are still in prime condition. OH! We're gonna be doing Irish dancing now. How's your farm experience?
It's so great.
All right. You know, just hanging out with some horses and some donkeys.
Gotcha.
But Faisal has decided that the donkeys are bullied by the horses.
Definitely, mate. 100%, 100%. See the sadness in the donkey's eyes.
We're going on an adventure. We're breaking away from the group. Don't tell anyone.
It's really dangerous. It can break in, she said.
So dangerous. It could collapse on us. We're gonna go through that. Hold your breath. Oh. That was fun. This is one of the most awkward experiences of my entire life. We got our homemade bread here. I'm gonna press play on it.
Oh, that's a lot of...
my.
Oh. I'm not gonna lie, this bread is delicious. One of my favorite experiences here has been hanging out with the sheep. So I'm very excited for this. We're walking around, now we're hanging out with the cattle. There is a calf that was born today. It looks like it's been around for 2 years. So you know, our group, we caught a lamb. The mom is pissed. Our day on the Causey farm is coming to a close. Simply phenomenal. We did so much today that I can't even remember to list it off. We caught some chickens. We watched a calf being born. We got to see some lambs. We made some bread. It's delicious. We did an obstacle course. Irish dance. Good point. Played the baron. This was the day on the farm. Simply spectacular. Now we're going to dinner and then we're going out as a class. Best Trinity class ever. So this entire experience is at the Causey farm. The people here are fantastic. They make sure we have the best experience. We were just walking by the hens and the chickens and they let us run in and actually try to catch some of them, as you saw G did. If you're looking for a full traditional Irish experience, you absolutely must check out the Causey farm. Seriously, Causey farm, thank you so much for a wonderful Irish experience. We all had a blast, loved it. And I'll link them below so you can check out their website. Now, cut to an intense dance scene. As always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, think about subscribing. You can do that right here. If you want to check out another crazy adventure that I've been on, you can do that over here. More importantly, let me know what you guys think by commenting below.